There was a challenge that I had to wear the caps. Being into the corporate environment, it's like wearing a cap is considered like it is a totally outmatch. In my mind that I had to go with the transplant because at this age which I am about, this can only be done procedure of the transplant only. No medicines, Ayurvedic, nothing can help. This is a bitter truth. If you have a good shape of hair, good density hair volume and everything, obviously you are more confident. My name is Anshu Sadhu. I am from Srinagar, Kashmir. My age is 36 years as of now, and I came to know about this QHT from my friend who had gone this procedure, this surgery back in 2023-24. And since then, I was interested, like, okay, because I have seen multiple clinics, I have visited there. Most of the clinics, I didn't got that vibe that, okay, I should be continuing with them because maybe you can say person to person, surgeon to surgeon, or the best results. And moreover, I was having a condition like my hair at the back of the side, which you would consider as a donor area, was a little bit thin. So they were giving me saying me that it cannot be continued as of now because the hair is very thin and all. So this was making me like changing my plans continuously. In my mind that I had to go with the transplant because at this age which I am about, this can only be done and with the procedure of the transplant only. No medicines, Ayurvedic, nothing can help. This is a bitter truth. When I met my friend and I saw the results, and plus I got to know that okay, they are taking so much pains in with the end results. Let me just continue with this only because after all, it's the result which matters. I had to specifically go with the April month's time because I think, as per my, like you can say, little research, that it is a feasible time because at that time plants, new flowers and everything blossom. So I applied that logic to my hair as well, that okay, it's the growing favorable, you can say, time. Last year I had decided that I will go in the next year 25, and here I am. So I have got my expectations as well. I'm also concerned that at the end of the year or with the procedures undertaken, I will have good great results because my condition is also +6 stage of baldness I am suffering from right now, but that is now a past because I am focusing on the future. Presently I am undertaking this QHT's advanced FUE, that is QHT, which I am taking. So hopefully I'll see the results. And it was told and I'm assured that I'll be having 5,500 grafts, which will be covering each and every part, and that will give me an aesthetic look and a youthful look post procedure. So basically I told that I am from Srinagar, Kashmir. I was not having these problems related to hair fall because the climate and the weather, all supports are they are very much feasible for the good hair, nourished hair. But as I changed places, I first went to Gurgaon. There I suffered, you can say, initial stages of baldness due to the water change or weather climate. I should not specifying the state, but it is like I had to change my own native place and go to some other place for work. So then I had consulted some well-known best in the lot, but they were not giving me a surety that post-treatment of medicines. I'm not talking about the surgery, I'm talking about the initial stages of my baldness. I wanted to continue with the medicines, but they were not giving the guarantee, so I thought, let's not talk. But eventually the time passed and I went to some other place, Pune. There also I felt some baldness issues, hair losing issues. It was when the COVID had stuck, and I was like confined to my place, not going anywhere for post 1.5 to 2 years. And it was then when the problem arose much, and I had to take care a lot. We used to do showers, hot showers, do some other than shampoos because availability was not there. Then I started noticing that yes, I am proceeding to the more advanced stages of the baldness, and from like 4 to 5 years, the severeness of the baldness is more. For this, I had gone to a Chandigarh's renowned institute. There I had a discussion with the doctor. They said, we can do the transplant with the advanced procedure only. Robotic is also included into that. But the donor area is slightly less. Thinning is on the thinner side. So we need to wait for some time. After that, like I was into no. It is like my hair only. I cannot do much about it. I am not having any medications. I'm not undertaking any medication, nothing. I want to do it with the natural method, but that also helped not me much because maybe I was missing something. So, and not to forget mentioning this, that I have a habit of wearing a cap since COVID. So this, I can say, major concern that had helped that led to this severe baldness issue, because continuously like 10-12 hours I used to wear cap. So I think there was very less air circulation, and even though I was taking the diet, high protein diet and all, but it was eventually the contact with the air which was missing. So that is the reason the baldness had happened much. So I can say that confidence is something which is internal, not external. But in my case, there was a challenge that I had to wear the caps. Being into the corporate environment, it's like wearing a cap is considered like it is a totally outmatch. Moreover, yes, you can say for some times there can be a concern, but eventually it cannot lead to low confidence. But yes, if you have a good shape of hair, good density hair volume and everything, obviously you are more confident. I would not say you are currently, if you're not having that much hair, it will give you zero confidence. I would say less confidence is obviously not better, but good confidence is always when you have the natural hair which you have, I mean, with a normal hairline. So when I discussed this procedure of hair transplanting with my parents, the first reaction on their face was they were very curious, surprised, and even happy also, because they had seen me since childhood, like when my hair was in the full volume. Every time they had seen me in that full growth hair only, but it was like few years back only that it started, and this was a concern for them. They were always telling me that why don't you do something to get it to get your hair back. We know that at our age it was not possible, but now technology has so modernized, so it is not a big challenge, and we see many people doing it. So why don't you take a step? And they were always encouraging me. I would say they are the biggest support for me, and we are like my family is like very open-minded. They said that forget about what society says, and it is your hair, your wish to get it back. So why you think of the other? You think of yourself and to get it done. And it was my family support only that they wanted me to continue with this. And today I have come here all with my parents only, and I would like to see them happy again if I have my hair back. And surely with this QHT method and with this clinic in Uttarakhand, which is just excelling everything, and it is going to be topmost clinic in the India in upcoming years, that I can guarantee. So I would say that the QHT, which is right now in the foothills of Himalayas, I also belong to a place called Himalayas in Srinagar, Kashmir. So I think it gave me a positive vibes. Okay, it's the foothill of Himalayas, and obviously it's in the Haridwar near River Ganga. So obviously I was getting those vibes that yes, definitely I'm going to be benefited from this procedure for which I have come here. There was a little slight doubt concerning related to the procedure. I found that maybe there could be one challenge which can be a concern, that once I am going with the transplant, I've seen in some cases people's scalp are visible post surgery as well. But this is a concern. I don't want that it should happen with me. But I'm on the other hand very confident and very sure that doctors would not give a chance for that. They will cover each and everything, and it was discussed as well that maybe I'll undergo two sittings. So clear this doubt of mine, and once the results are there, I would be happily showing it to the people, because I would encourage all of the people who are going through this phase that don't you worry about this. There are scope and there are good clinics in India. Yes, in India, you heard it right. And with those advanced treatments, you can get back your hair naturally. Right now, I'm feeling pretty confident and excited as well on the same hand. I know this is my first surgery, but like I can perceive it from the surroundings that yes, it will be a best surgery I would be undertaking. And thanks to all the support of the staff and the doctors and all, which continuously helped me encourage. So as of now, this was my session with the team of QHT here, and hopefully I'll be meeting you all after the surgery with some experience, more experience, which I will gather from the post procedure. And I would be happy sharing with you, because if somebody is giving some valuable advice, or you can say true feedback, then obviously it is the other person who gets encouraged and who also wishes to take this step in the life. And for this, you should be staying tuned and expect more videos from my side. Thank you. So hello everyone, this is Anshul again. I just got free 10 minutes before. It took a long time to do the surgery on my head. Actually, the grafts required was more, and the grade was like 6+7. So here you can see the results. It's all done, and I'm very much thankful to the team of doctors, technicians, senior technicians, nurses, and the support staff. They were all dedicated to their work, and they gave me the proper result which I wanted. And eventually, after like 6 to 8 months, I will see a full growth of my hair with full density of hair. That's my perspective. Today was the day 2nd of my hair transplant, and it was basically implantation. So during the time, I was being very active. I was given the anesthesia, but I was still active and oriented. And so doctors were continuously asking me whether I was feeling any pain or not. So whenever I used to feel pain, they used to stop and they used to inject another anesthesia injection, because this anesthesia lasts for some time. And after the effect is over, then again, if you feel the pain, then you need to take it again. And during the procedure, I also found it very good that doctors were continuously asking me if you're feeling any discomfort, anything. So please feel free to tell us. Apart from that, I was given chance to go to washroom twice because I had taken meals. I had to take the medicine, so they had provided me the refreshing meal. It was a well decent, you can say, meal, and it was included chapatis, rice, dal, salads, and pickle. Everything was included in that. I am very much thankful that they gave me that. Also, I found that the cleanliness of the operation room till the washroom, it was absolutely fabulous. It was all well cleaned and well maintained. There are no risks and no chances of getting infection. Like, there are some myths people used to tell that, okay, you cannot go outside during the procedure, it might catch infection, but it's all myth. When your place is already infectious and germs free, then you need not to worry about it. So for my procedure of this hair transplant, I was told that it might require 5,500 grafts, because this is a advanced stage of, like, you can say, bonding somewhere between stage 6 and stage 7. 5,500 grafts. You cannot apply have more than this graft 5,500 in one go, because there are certain limitations as well. So in my first attempt and in my first session, I am being planted with 5,500. But when I spoke to the doctor, she said additionally 150 more we have planted. So it's like around about 5,700 grafts have been planted in one session. Hopefully in 6 to 8 months time, because that's the natural time to let the implanted hair go. So I will see more growth and better results with the density. Even if there is something missing, like if something is not good as per my expectation, because everyone has his expectation, mine is also regarding the full density hair. So that will be covered in the second session that was already discussed, and in that hopefully another 1,500 maybe or maybe 1,500 to 2,000 max grafts will be implanted on the backside. So far I'm just being confident, looking for my result, and whatever precautions there are need to follow, I'll strictly follow that, so that they and me both are in the same line. As you can see that this is a hair transplant, it also goes like the procedure the same, whether it is another surgery, something related to another body part, it is like the same. And the atmosphere here also was generally professional. There was no scare, no kind of environment like one should be scared that, okay, I'm going to the patient theater and what will happen. Plus, the environment was so good in the background. I also loved the music was playing. The music was also religious. So it also gave me a good vibe everywhere. When I went inside the operation theater, it would give me a good vibe that, okay, now I'm in the safe hands of the experts. It was a very beautiful experience. And in the upcoming months, I would like to see my full hair growth. And also, I would be joining back the team after 6 to 8 months for my second session, so that if there is something and again needs to be worked on, there is no hesitation in working again, because obviously the limitation allowed us only the 5500 grafts this time. So another if grafts are required, that would be done in the second session. And I would definitely encourage each one of you that if you're going to the QHT, you are going into the right place, because once you have it done, or once you see the experiences of mine or other people, you definitely choose this as your partner for the hair transplant journey. So for this, stay connected and keep tuned. Thanks for connecting back to QHT.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.